What's up guys, so today I'm going to be doing a room tour. So basically I just started it then, and then I realised I should put my postcode, so I'm going to have to cover it up. So this is what I was showing you guys earlier. This is from my teacher. So I've got that from a pizza from my teacher in my house over in school. So let's get proper video. So I'm gonna start with my desk. So there I've got my unicorn, my penguin and my goat. This came from Australia. It's a proper wooden one. Basically my uncle lives in Australia, so he always brings presents every year. So we've got that. And then I've got that, and I've also got this like cute like dream catcher that I made. And then I've got this thingy-majiggy speaker with my iPod on. And then I've got this iPhone case, because like in case I need it. In case I need it. Sorry. Then I've got this hamburger squishy. Then I've got this cactus, and I have this like pot of gold which I got from like gold digging. No. Do you know when you find like gold in the sand and you're like panning for gold? So I've got this like penguin thing from that place because that was mine. And then I got this which I decided it could stand on. And then here I've got my other squishy. Here's my other cactus, here's my other cactus. This is my turtle rock, which I got from a mine ages ago. And this is my pineapple squishy, which I got like a couple days ago. That's where I stashed my money. And one Shopkin apparently. So that's what I was showing you earlier. I'm not going to show you again, in case I accidentally show you the postcode. So this is my first ever watercolour painting. And then I've got this painting which isn't that good, but I'm going to keep it anyway. And then I've got this which I think is actually really good. And I've also got this which I did not draw. I got it off the internet and I colored it. And then I've stashed my jelly bath thing here, so that may come up in a future episode. And then I've got my eczema cream, because if you didn't know I have eczema. Then I just got a random bottle of paint, and then this is like a Chinese charger. My mum got it from China. And then I've got this like light which I use for recording sometimes. It does do the trick. I got most of this stuff from IKEA, especially this desk, this whole desk I got from IKEA. So this is where I keep my slimes. This is where I stash my sweets, which you don't meant to know, but like, oh well. And then this is just my shelf of stuff. So that's my fan. Anyway guys, I have got an actual fan that is here to meet me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ready? It's called Meet Jeffrey the Fan. It loves being like a pet. I'm going to switch it off for now. Okay, this is my pineapple clock, which I got from Asda. So yeah, I've got this calendar, which I've got to mention. That's hung up on here, and that's like a fragrance thing. This is my door. Welcome to door. This is just my pile of washing, because I didn't know where to put it for the video. Because I don't want it to get in the way, because like I usually take it down, but like my mum's not put my washing basket here, so I need to go and get it soon. But it wasn't downstairs, so I don't know where it's gone. Okay, so that's my unicorn poster, which I'm gonna finish colouring very, very soon. That star right there is giving me OCD because I've not coloured it. Okay, this is like a pile of teddies that I don't want and I'm giving away. That there is my mirror that is gonna go there. So yeah, this is my drawer that's got like underwear in, and this has got pajamas. in it. Down below is just random stuff. My Kindle, which I need. Well, I don't need it, but you know. So this is my drink thing. I thought this was really cute, and I got this from where did I get it now? The Range. I got these. My mum got me from Mataline because she works in the head office, so she can like get me them. And then I've got this Fun Pass from a Haven site. And then I've got this Zoella perfume. I've got another one, but I don't know where it's gone. This thing. Then I've got my hairbrush, the roll-on underarm thingy, my bobby. Deodorants here. This is another one of my eczema creams. This is my, like, if I can't sleep because I've got a cold, I'll put that on my bed. This is if I can't sleep because I've got a cold. You don't put it on your bed, you like squirt it up your nose. This is that one is another one of that. Here are my headphones with the Bluetooth. These go on here. This is my clock. It's 6:20 right now. This is my remote. And these here. Let me just open them. You can still hear me. You just can't see me. So these are like really small rocks. Not exactly, but I did like metal detecting, and you could choose a prize at the mines that I got my penguin from. So this is one of my favourites. And then I've got this one. This one, I'll tell you when I get like one of my favourites. This is also one of my favourites because it's like it goes into like a wave motion or something. This one's one of my favourites. This one is because it looks like a tube, but then it's like really cool how it's like purple there and then like clear there. And then this is just normal. Oh, it wants to be in camera. This one, I was gonna say it's one of my favourites, but it's really not. This one. So yeah, this is my table. So here, this is literally all my cables. Okay, so here is my bed, which I literally have to make just for this video. So this is my bed, and I've got my pillows there. These actually change. This one's easy to change, but that's just, it's still a unicorn, it's just like a different colour. This is a mermaid tail, it just changes colour. I just realised none of my things actually change picture. These are the two things I want out of a claw machine. So I got this unicorn pug, and I got this cow pug. I've got this elephant, which I got for my first birthday. I got this, which I got from a hospital, I think. I'm not sure. I got this, which I got from Haven, which is my favourite ever teddy, and I'll never let go of it. This, which I got from Haven, which is Anxious. That's Anxious. I've got an Anxious over there, and I've got an Anxious over there. And I got an Anxious pillow. I was pretty obsessed with Anxious. And then here I've got my sheet for if I get too warm in this, but now I don't need it because I've got a fan. They're always going to be there for me, and I'm always going to be there for it. Okay, so just quickly touch this. This here is my Xbox One. Well, it's not mine, it's my dad's, but my dad let me have it in my room. This is my controller. I play Fortnite on this a lot. I have Destiny and Overwatch as like just like DVDs, and then I got Fortnite for free on the App Store. So this is my giant TV It's actually bigger than the one I've got in the living room. Okay, so here, my windowsill. And this is like just a light box. This is a plant which I've got an acorn in and a unicorn. And here I've just got like random stuff. And down there I've got like my thingamabobbies. So yeah, right. I'll get this good. So if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that button with your, what should I think? With your, wait. That part of your kneecap. Oh yeah, by the way, I've got these pictures up here, and that's my wallpaper. Let's tell you that. Also subscribe, turn on post notifications, and once you have done that, comment below hashtag post notification squad to get a shout out, or just comment I have subscribed. The fan with today's notifications shout out goes to Jeffrey. Okay, I'm actually gonna stop now. Stop with the fan jokes. So yeah, anyway.